Do you want to create your own engaged community from scratch? This is the perfect course to help you get started. My name is Phil Ebener, and I've been creating communities for my online business and brand for many years. One of my most successful communities has over 60,000 members, with almost 50% of the members engaging with the community every week. In this course, you're going to learn what communities are, why it could be important for you to have a community, whether it's for a brand or a business to help it grow, or perhaps for a group of local neighbors or friends who share an interest. Whatever the reason is for starting your own community, I'll show you how to start, how to make it more successful quicker, how to make it more engaging than ever, and how to make it easier on you. This is a quick crash course into the topic. This is not a deep dive into every specific technical aspect of different platforms or tools, but I will be sharing some of my favorites and how I use them. The point of this course is to give you a quick overview and deep dive into the what, the why, and the how. I hope you join me in this class to learn how to quickly build an engaged community from scratch. See you inside.